So today, it's a little gloomy out and we're doing something a little different. We decided to go thrifting in Delaware since thrift shops are open. Of course we have to wear our masks and stuff and be safe, but we haven't been thrifting in like, I don't know, 3 months. It's been a while. So we're gonna hit up some thrift shops, see if we can get some old film, maybe some old cameras, and just anything photo related that we can get, and maybe some other things, who knows. So yeah, see you out there. So far, this is about all I found. No cameras yet, no luck yet, but this is only the first stop. This is only the first thrift store we got, so we'll see what we can get. Might grab this, might not. I don't know, I have a couple slides at home, but I don't really need it. Sure. Yes. This Life in Space book is really cool. Life in Space, that's interesting. No, nothing. Bingo. Wow.
Nice. How long is it?
Film. 400 speed. Woo! First find of the day at the first place. Let's do it. Gonna have to get this. Gonna get this Elvis pin too, because why not? But we're here for photo stuff, so definitely gonna grab that. Another good thing while thrifting is look for frames, so you can find cheap frames, like cool frames to frame your work. Because going to Michael's and all the other stores are too expensive. Well, this one's a little pricey, $14, but you can find pretty nice frames for cheap. Oops. So, yeah. Like, look at this nice picture of an eagle. It actually is pretty nice. Like, look at this, like this weird frame. Like, it's cheap, $7, but yeah. That's sick. Old photos.
Look at this.
Cool old postcards. Club Scout graduation.
I love this.
Any other photos?
Look at this is like someone.
This is like, look at the shine on that. Look at the shine on that.
It's really cool.
It's metal or something.
Like someone.
Look. We got the same mustache. See this right here? Yes. These little ones would be good for opening the 35 mil.
That's perfect.
They're $1. I think I'll pass. 15%. Not too shabby. Masks up, dude. Masks up. Let's go. Let's go find some good stuff. Can you unlock the car? Every time, every time. $29.99. $14.99. I bet it's an old VHS thing. That's amazing. It's always a video camera. It's always. Second store, Goodwill. Nothing. Had nothing at all. But I don't really expect to find anything, unfortunately, just because of the whole COVID thing. I don't think there's really stuff in the stores, and stuff that was donated was probably donated months and months and months ago. So far, just one roll of film. Not too bad.
A camcorder.
And a camcorder, but I didn't get the camcorder. So on to the next. Wish me luck. Third place we're going, and Main Street Antiques. Antique shops are a little bit of a cop out because they're expensive, so it's not really like a thrift find, but you never know. So let's see what we can get. Got a little Conoco auto. Holy shit. This thing. There we go. Nope. Again. Not a bad line is. $45. Got this little Kodak thing, $20. A little 110 camera here. Back there. They're cool. All of those, dude. Sometimes, what? Is that a picture or a painting?
It's like an old colorized picture.
Wow. Wow.
Look how pretty this is.
Not my cup of tea. Pretty sick. Ooh, car corners for the win. Got tripod here. Hefty tripod. Yo, that's hefty. That's a sword. Damn.
Very cool. It has all the names on them too. Love this little one.
Wow. You get one?
I don't know.
Cool.
Look at the ones in there. Oh.
Look at this guy. Now this is a thin type. Look at that. Wow. Forgotten. I like the little frames that they're like the little frames, like they're small.
Ornate this one is.
That's cool. Look at that. Look how bent that is.
This guy looks like friggin' Theodore Roosevelt.
Look
how cool this one is. The blur on the back. And it sits still.
It's dark.
Look at his rosy cheeks.
Did they like paint that on there?
Yeah.
They painted on rosy cheeks?
Fuck, I want this one.
What one? This one?
Look at him. How
the
cool
gentleman.
Is he?
The gentleman tin. He's pretty cool. You getting him?
He's cool, yeah, I want him. Put him with the pins.
Right. Saves the day. No, but you should get this. Feel him, dude. He's cool.
Ew.
He's got like real fur. It's just weird.
Should I adopt this family of my own?
Yeah. Too bad. So the antique store was a bust. That's the thing about antique stores. They're most always a bust just because people kind of know what they have, and then they also think that their stuff's worth way more than it is. and the stuff's just way overpriced. Val got a couple of tin types. She collects old photos and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool. I didn't get any cameras or anything like that. It was just way too much money. There's like crappy point and shoots for like $45 to $75 in there, and it was just, that's just ridiculous. I'm not gonna pay that. But no, it was cool to go in there and see some old things and whatnot. While we're out thrifting, I unfortunately didn't find any cameras. All I got was a couple tin types and one roll of 35 mil. Sometimes that's just how it is. But while I was out, I did look on Facebook Marketplace, because I'm constantly checking Facebook Marketplace to find like cheap cameras on camera related stuff that people post, because you never know what you're gonna find, and stuff just pops up there crazy like every day. So always check that. But while right around the corner, I contacted someone who posted like a camera lot and developing gear lot on Facebook Marketplace. They didn't really have a price up, they just said or best offer. So I called them and I was like, oh, let me go check that out. And what I picked up was 2 cameras. The first one, a Pentax ME, not the ME Super, just the Pentax ME. It's literally in perfect shape. I got this for 20 bucks from the lady. She was very nice. So 20 bucks for an ME, that's not that bad. And then you could go and like resell this probably for like at least 50 bucks or more. And yeah, so you can easily get your money back for that. And then I also got, for another 20 bucks, a Canon AE1 in perfect shape with the 50mm usual 1.8 lens. 20 bucks. This thing you can easily sell for like 100 bucks. Easily make your money back on this. But, or you can just keep it for yourself and shoot it. This is probably one of the cameras that I come across the most, well, when I'm out thrifting. I guess they're just readily available and like they're mass produced and everything, so I come across these all the time. This isn't the AE1 program, it's just the AE1, so I'm probably gonna resell this one. They usually sell really quick too, so that's a good thing. Always check Facebook Marketplace, you never know what you can find. I got these 2 great SLR cameras for 20 bucks each, 40 bucks, and I can easily make my money back on that. The whole thing with thrifting is you can find cheap gear that you yourself can use, or you can find cheap gear that you can resell to get the gear that you want to use. Because that's what I do most of the time. I go and I thrift, or Facebook Marketplace, or I go to like antique shops or estate sales and stuff like that, just to find cheap gear so I can resell it and get the gear that I really want. It's a hustle, but go out there and try it for yourself. You'll be surprised with the stuff you can find. That's the end of this video. Sorry I didn't find so much stuff thrifting, but it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all next time. Later.